In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off JavaScript in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On the Settings, scroll down until you find the Safari. In Safari settings, keep scrolling down to the very bottom until you find Advanced, then get into it. And that's where we can easily find JavaScript. All we have to do to turn it on or off is just tap at this toggle. That's how we can turn it off and on. For most the cases, I recommend you to keep JavaScript turned on because JavaScript provides additional functionality on some websites, and without it, if it is turned off, they simply may not work. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.